This is for the M3. Kind of a mod, kind of not. It's not really a mod. This is what $117 in oil looks like. 10W60 liquid moly with the filter for the M3. Yeah, we're doing an oil change today, boys. And let's see how bad this oil is. 3 track days, 5,000 miles later. I'm kind of interested to see how bad this oil is. I think it's pretty bad. Don't hose me in the comments. You know I had to get that thumbnail picture. Also, I started making reels on Instagram now. So here's my Instagram, @RickyE92 if you want to follow me. I started making reels, because why not? So I got 3 up, just posted this one. Go follow me on Instagram if you haven't, @Ricky_E92. Hell yeah, let's get started. Whoa. Before we go any farther in today's video, if you guys have not seen the last video a couple days ago, please go check it out. I'll put a card right here, link in the description, or hit my channel on the last video before this one. It was so much fun. We put a Christmas tree on top of the M3, filmed a couple cinematics. It was actually a really good time. Didn't get a lot of views. I thought it'd get a lot more views than it did, but it didn't. So if you guys haven't seen it, please go check it out. I thought it was really cool. My mom even drove my M3. It was a good video, short and sweet. Just go check it out, please. Leave a comment, leave a like. But do that after you see this video, because this video might be pretty cool. And I'm gonna see right now how bad my oil is on the E92. I think it might be pretty bad, so stay tuned. But I just want to let you guys know, check out that video. It was a really fun video. Also, I was thinking about doing a video about reading my hate comments, because I do get hate like any other YouTuber. So I think it'd be pretty funny addressing it and reading my hate comments. I think that'd be entertaining for me and for you guys. So leave a comment down below right now if you guys want to see a hate comment hate comment review video. If you guys want to see me reading my hate comments, I think it'd be funny. I think it'd be a cool video to make. So let me know in the comments. All right, now back to the oil video. Let's get it. All right, got the M3 up on jack stands. As you guys see, obviously e-brakes on. We're gonna pop the hood, excuse the dirt. Once the beach and now it got dirty in here. Let's see that beautiful S65. And it's a little bit dirty too. No, it's not that bad. Filters right there, obviously it was right there. It says Castrol, but I use liquid moly, it just helps me a little bit better. I've actually never changed the oil on the E92 M3 before, only a 335, so I'm gonna go under the car right now, see if it's similar, see if there's actually like a similar spot where it was for the 335. Let's do that first, get the tools, show you guys where it's at, if it's different, put you on a time lapse, and see how bad this oil is.
Hey, what's up, man?
A really dumb question, ready? For the oil on the M3, is the drain plug the front one or the back one?
Both.
The 2 Allen ones are both drain plugs?
Yeah, they're both drain plugs. The front one, I think, has about like half a quart that drains out or so.
Okay.
And the back one drains the rest. Just, yeah, drain both of them.
Okay.
And then start off with like 8.5 quarts.
8.5, and then if I need the extra half.
Oil, yeah, when you fill it up, do like 8.5, because that oil level sensor is pretty picky.
Yeah.
I know sometimes it says like 8.8 or 9 quarts.
Yeah.
But then sometimes it'll show like fill, drain oil, and you get a big warning.
Okay.
So just do 8.5, drive it around, and then see what your oil level's at.
Okay, because it's a lot different from the 335. It was like the 335 was off to the side. These are like straight down.
Just one drain plug it to 17, and then these are 6 millimeters.
That's so weird. And there's 2 of them,
6 millimeter Allens.
and they go straight down, not like to the side.
Yeah,
Okay.
straight down, and then just be careful putting them back in, that they go in straight.
Straight, yeah.
These oils strip pretty easily, it seems like.
Okay.
Yeah, it'll feel kind of tight putting it in, and then don't over tighten them, because then you'll strip it. Yeah, they're really sensitive.
Okay, cool. Thank you. Sorry for the stupid question. Okay, as you guys just saw, I got off the phone with Felipe, owns Gym Performance. Their information is down below. Best shop in the game. See, it's way different. There's 2 drain plugs, and they're Allen. They're not like a regular socket. It's really weird. So I'm glad I told you guys this and figured out for myself. So yeah, so he said it's a 6 millimeter, I think he said. Wow, I already forgot. But and let's get this oil drained out. It's a lot of oil. It's, as he said 8.5 quarts, 9 quarts, in some cases. So yeah, let me take you guys to the time lapse, get this thing drained out, and let's see how bad it is. I think it's gonna be pretty black. Alright, we'll let that drain. The bucket and the little pan, because that pan wasn't big enough for all the oil. I actually realized that I need to go dispose of my current bad oil, still from the 335, in this thing, because I need to put the old stuff from the M3 into this after we're done doing it. Also, I need to run an AutoZone because I can't get the oil filter off, and there's a reason why. If you come over here on the M3s, I don't have a big enough socket for that, and by hand, I guess I'm just a little BIT. You can finish the rest of the sentence out. I can't get it off. So, and my tools, like these things, don't fit around it. This thing is literally like a piece of crap from the dollar store. Not literally from the dollar store, but it feels like it is. And so, I need to go to AutoZone anyway, so I'm gonna get one of those sockets and dispose of the oil, and probably get some more ceramic wax, because I love Meguiar ceramic wax. It actually works really well, and the M3 is running out of it on the surface of the paint. So yeah, I'm gonna let that drain out, let that be right there, and I'll take you guys to our AutoZone. When we get back, I'll show you how bad it was. You'll be surprised. Let's just say that. You'll be surprised. If you guys didn't know, I actually have a daily now. This is my 2016 Kia Optima. I really don't talk much about because it is as it sounds. It's a daily. Just a nice commuter car. Gets hell good gas mileage. Not a hot magnet. And yeah, just so you guys know, this is my daily. Honestly, the interior on these Kia Optimas is actually pretty nice. Like, got my Starbucks, my chill, my mask. You already know. They're honestly pretty nice. And we need to get gas. I haven't gotten gas for like 3 weeks, and I have to get gas, so this is great. I'm excited to go to the gas station because I never have to go to the gas station in this car. So yeah, let's go. All right, at AutoZone, this is what we got. 36 millimeter. Unfortunately, they only have the 12-sided, so I'm hoping this doesn't mess up the head. I don't even know what you call it. I could barely think right now, but hope it doesn't mess it up. Yeah, 36 millimeters. $12 socket. Not even a good brand either. Isn't Duralast kind of bad? I'm not too sure. I think they're pretty bad though. So, but hopefully this works, and then we can get the filter off. And yeah, so I'll see you guys back at the house. All right, made it back home, and like all my videos, sun's going down. Every install I do, the sun goes down. But perfect. Sweet. Now we can get the oil filter off, and let's see how bad the oil is first, because now it's done draining. All right, drain plugs are back in, and without further ado, after 3 track days, 5,000 miles later, this is how bad the oil is. It's honestly, okay, so it looks pretty black right here, which it is. I mean, it's pretty bad, pretty black. Here's the other one. But honestly, it's not that bad. But yeah, when it was actually coming out, I wish I showed you guys. Maybe you guys see in the time lapse, but I'm probably not. But when it was coming out of the car, you could still see through it. It was still light to dark brown. It wasn't black. This pan makes it look black, obviously, but it's honestly, see, look at that. It's not that bad. You can kind of see it's not super black, but it is super black. It's bad. I'm not gonna kid myself. It's pretty bad. So I'll probably do 2 track days and maybe 3,000 miles with this next set of oil, and see if that looks any better. This isn't like super bad. Don't give me hate comments in the comment section. Even though if you do give me hate comments, it will help next video, or 2 videos or 3 videos from now. So I think we are gonna do the hate comment video. I think it'd be really funny for both of us. And I think my girlfriend is actually gonna guest star in it, and she's actually gonna read some of the comments too. So I think it'd be pretty funny. I get her reaction to some of my hate comments. Pretty cool. But yeah, so I don't think it's that bad. And now I'm gonna get the filter out and put the new filter in, drain the new stuff in, put this old oil back in the that oil case, the oil carton thing, the thing I drained, that thing right there, this thing. So yeah, let me go do that, and then I'll check in with you guys once everything's buttoned up. And I have something to tell you guys about next video. See you guys in a second. Let me button all this stuff up. All right, just put 8.5 quarts of oil in the M3, new oil filter, everything's on there. But the engine bay, as you guys see, looks pretty dirty. So let's see if we can fix that with a snap of our fingers here. Let's do this. That's much better. Sweet, hell yeah. So my best friend actually just came home from the military. What? I don't know what that says. Oh, hell yeah! He's got 10. My best friend just showed up from the military. So like, I'm hella surprised, you know, like, dude, he was in South Korea for 9 months, so that was dope. Like, he's from the Army. He's back, which I'm stoked about. So now I'm gonna go take him for a ride in the M3. So that should be pretty sick. Might make that actually a separate video. But yeah, the M3 is running. I just gotta get off the wood, clean up a little bit, and I'll show you guys out with an outro in 1 second.